Welcome to the Hospital News e-letter. This is a new format that we're undertaking and we're going to be reporting to you every couple of months. I hope you find it useful. It's a busy time of the year for everybody right now. The end of financial year approaching and the beginning of a new one. Same for PHARMAC. We've been busy updating our accountability documents, a new SOI. And in today's newsletter, I want to talk a bit about PHARMAC's strategy that's been focusing on as it goes in and updates this statement of intent for the future, and to tell you about all the work that we've done about the areas that PHARMAC will be focusing on. So today I want to focus on one very important but defining part of PHARMAC's strategy, which is the bold goals that we've established, and there are 3 of them. And these bold goals are bold and they are aspirational. What they're going to do is provide a guiding point for PHARMAC and its stakeholders as it moves forward to delivering value for the sector. The 3 bold goals that we've set in our strategy and are reporting on through our SOI start with removing inequities to access to medicines. It's probably the boldest of the 3, but it certainly is very motivating for our team within PHARMAC here. It's something we must try. We must try and succeed in reducing and removing those access inequities. The second one is very specific. It's about the creation of value through pricing reductions on medical devices. And the goal is that by 2025 we will have got a cumulative additional $1 billion in value for the sector that can be reinvested into new services and technology. And the third is about that reinvestment. PHARMAC's intending to create systems that enable the investment across the portfolio to be compared on a similar basis, so that we can be assured that when we make an investment, that it's the next best value for money investment that can possibly be made. So, over the coming months and years, I look forward to reporting back to you on the progress and positive results that we're anticipating as we focus on these bold goals and on PHARMAC's strategy. So by now you'll also be well aware about the budget uplifts for PHARMAC's combined pharmaceutical budget. Both the uplift announced in this year's budget, 2017, and also the uplift from last year. Together, these uplifts mean that PHARMAC will be able to make very good value for money investments in new medicines and other technologies that will benefit our populations in the years ahead. So right now, as in the future, PHARMAC's very focused on implementing its new activity in the area of medical devices. We spent a lot of time engaging with DHB staff across the country, including through a range of forums where we've had the opportunity to talk directly with clinicians and procurement staff and others to help inform the work and to get a good dialogue going as we move forward into implementing various activities that we are including some changes. One of those changes relates to wound care products, where we've tested what we're calling a market share approach. The opportunities in market share to obtain greater value for money, reduce prices for district health boards is only achievable if we work together to implement those changes. And that's been done very effectively with all DHBs being on board with the wound care changes in time for the 1 July 2017 start of that arrangement. So, in closing, as always, if you've got any questions, then just get in contact with me directly or with any of our team here at PHARMAC and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.